What a fantastically beautiful piece of poetry penned by the legendary Jonathan Burke. John, I want to thank you very much, man, for Kato the Butterfly. It really did inspire me. And guess what? I know it's gonna inspire the world. Kato moved along the branch, his head held very high, for he knew that within a month he would be a butterfly. He bumped into Miss Peeny Wally early in the day and said she looked so strangely funny in such a boring sort of way. "You'll never change like me," he cried. "You look so very plain." "I'm happy as I am," she sighed. "I never want to change." Kato laughed and passed her by and started eating lunch. What a mighty wind shook the tree and he fell right off the branch. A great height did Kato fall, but he landed on some moss, and as soon as he began to crawl, he realized he was lost. Night soon came, and it was dark, so dark he could not see, until a light lit up his path. It shone so brilliantly. "Your light is bright and beautiful. Who are you?" Kato asked, and as the light grew closer, he saw who it was and gasped. "I passed you on the branch today, but you look so dull and plain. How can it be? You are so bright. How did you make the change?" Miss Peeny Wally shook her head. "You do not understand. I've just remained the same," she said, and gently took his hand. "In the day the sun is shining. It shines so very bright. So when you saw me on the leaf, you could not see my light." She turned and looked into his eyes and saw his pride had gone. Then Kato said, "Forgive me, please. I know that I've been wrong." They became the very best of friends, and after a month passed by, Miss Peeny Wally shone her light on Kato the Butterfly. Jonathan, you are my mentor. You'll always be my friend. Thank you.